When it comes to increasing your mobility, the reciprocal inhibition principle can be a real gem. It can be used to strengthen your muscles and joints through a full range of motion while protecting you from injury in the process. Reciprocal inhibition describes the process of the muscles on one side of a joint relaxing to accommodate the contraction of the muscles on the other side. For example, when doing a biceps curl, your triceps must relax to allow your arms to move through a bent arm position. In this case, your biceps would be the agonist or the main mover, and the triceps would be the antagonist or the muscle that's just opposite of that. During the lowering phase of the movement, your triceps become the agonist and your biceps then become the antagonist.